sometimes we are not sure whether we need rain or we need water. And I think the question is, we need water. And sometimes we confuse the two. Kenya, for example, is 80% arid and semi-arid. Therefore, we don't have much of rain, but I bet you we have enough water. And so we have decided as a country that we need to make sure that our water towers, our wetlands are protected so that we can use them to collect, harvest, store enough water to assist us manage our food security requirements. And it is the reason why we made a conscious decision that we are going to plant 15 billion trees to protect our wetlands and to protect our water towers. Accompanying